Hi guys, this is my Shein try on. This first outfit is the animal print lounge jogging set. I really like it. I really love this burgundy red shirt. Very, very cute. I like it. And I paired it with some Rue 21 jeans. These shoes I got from Shein. These are actually kind of comfortable. They're not like soft or anything, but you know, they're good for like just sticking your feet in them, something quick to throw on your feet. So then this next shirt, I know I'll like it more as I continue to do my workouts and everything. But I just paired this with those jeans too, and the same shoes. This one right here, I thought this was t-shirt material, but it's some other materials like polyester, silk or something. But it's a cute shirt. I really like it. And my next outfit is this one. I love this one with a red lip. And then I paired it with a red bracelet. And I got on some red and silver earrings, which you can't really see. But I thought this shirt was really cute. And then I love this dress. It's actually a stretchy material, so I didn't have a lot of trouble trying to get it on. It fits perfect. This is a medium, so I think that this is true to size when they say, you know, is it true to size? Yes. Love it with the earrings that I got from Shein, and the sandals are from Walmart. The next one is this Bless Mom t-shirt with my sunglasses. I was being silly a little bit, trying to have a good day. So I have on a red lip with this shirt, and again I put my earrings on, and these distressed jeans which came from Rue 21, which I love. Cute, cute, cute. I'm acting silly again. And then the last outfit is the other lounge outfit, which I am going to put on. I put on for this video, and then I had to change out of these other outfits. So I paired this with my Mom Boss slippers, and I am so comfortable in this, and I'm going to put it back on later. And I hope you guys enjoyed this try on style for my closet, and I will talk to you in my next video. Have a blessed weekend. Bye.